Stop scrolling for a second and look around your room. Does it feel like you, or does it feel like the page from a big box furniture catalog? We are living in the era of fast decor where everything is plastic, mass produced, and let's be honest, a little soulless. But what if your home could feel like a warm hug? What if the piece of your shelves actually had a heartbeat? Today I am showing you how crochet is moving out from the craft bin into world of high fashion interior designs. Whether you are looking to transform your own space or you are an entrepreneur ready to stock your Etsy Shopify store with pieces that actually sells. These are the home decor trends that are redefining fiber art in 2026. First up, let's talk about the sculptural minimalism. Forget the neon yarn of the past. To sell on platforms like Etsy, right now you need to think about the texture over color. The chunky bubble pillow. They aren't just cushion, they are tactile experience. Use jumbo, cotton piping or woolen roving creates that 3D effect that looks incredible in product photography. Geometric wall hangings. Swap the macrame from crochet large-scale frame. Crochet tapestry using organic shapes are a massive hit for Shopify boutiques right now because they offer a soft, modern vibe that's hard to find in stores. When listing these, use keywords like organic, modern, and Japanese style. People are seeing for calm, and your stitches provide exactly that. The best-selling items online are the one that solves a problem while looking beautiful. We call it functional art. Take the stiff crochet lampshade. By using a simple cotton cord and a sugar water or fabric stiffener treatment, you create these gorgeous boho chic pendants. When the light hits the stitches, it casts an incredible shadow across the room. That's a hero product for any online shopper. Perfect for fruits in the kitchen or the plants in the nursery. The hanging nests. The floor pot, they are high ticket items if you are selling on Shopify. A set of 3 nested floor cushions can be easily your bestseller. They're durable, washable, and screams luxury handmade. On the flip side, we have Handmade Decor. This is for Gen Zs and millennials. Buyers who want their home to pop. We are seeing a huge surge in everlasting flowers. Imagine bouquet that never dies. Crochet lilies, sunflowers, eucalyptus are absolute goldmine for Etsy gift shoppers. They are easy to ship, they don't break, and they are incredibly Instagrammable. Do not forget checkered trend, rugs, coasters, and even checkered tissue boxes. They are dominating TikTok trends. If you can make it funky, you can make it sell. Here is